Hey everybody, it's me, Liz, from LizSamOfficial. So I have been procrastinating for the longest time to do this video. But I just wanted to do this video, kind of like an introductory type of video. Now my channel's been around for a while. I only have 56 videos on there, but I want to try and expand the channel, grow the channel, and with your help, I will be able to do that. My channel is basically focused on travel, and if you watch any of my other videos, they're basically mostly travel, which I'm hoping that you guys will take a look at all the other videos that you can see. Maybe use them to start planning some trips for when the pandemic is over. I am just like kind of learning to use this new camera, learning editing, you know, just kind of starting all over again, really trying to make this a great channel. So that's why I was using this as like a hello, how you doing? Introductory video to you guys, to my audience. And hopefully we can use 2021 as a goal to grow the channel and try and get a lot more subscribers. I am very low in the subscriber count. I think I have 79 right now. Hoping to bump that up as much as possible. So feel free to share this video with your friends, your family. Share my channel with your friends and your family and everybody that you know. So anyway, so this channel, like I said, it was started as a travel channel primarily, but I have lots of other interests and stuff, and so I'm hoping that you're also going to see, besides travel, you know, I live in Las Vegas, so hopefully there'll be a lot of Las Vegas content. But I also have big interest in skateboarding and BMX, so hopefully you'll see videos on that. Maybe some like cooking things going on, some question and answers. I'm hoping to do some live streams. You know, just whatever, like leave comments down below. For those of you that are not very well versed in YouTube, you can leave comments. There's a comment section right below where you see the video. You can leave comments on anything you want. Just keep them clean. Yeah, like let me know what you guys want to see. If there's stuff you want to see, if you have questions you want to ask, you know, just let me know. So yeah, I'm hoping also at some times to like try and focus this on women's issues. It's gonna be for everybody, but maybe sometimes it'll be for women only. And you know, we can have discussions as women of a certain age. So and you know that, well, some of you don't know, but like I'm what you call middle-aged. And you know, there's lots of things that when you're middle-aged you go through. So hopefully I can help with that for some of you other women that are also going through some stuff. I just mean like, you know, being a certain age, maybe, you know, living alone, traveling alone, things that you might be concerned about if you've never done it before. I am like I don't want to say world traveler, but you know, traveling alone is something that I do very well. I love doing it. So yeah. So anyway, so like I said, this was just an introductory video. I've been doing this video off for I don't even know, so long. So kind of like a restarting of my channel, but at the same time, there's 56 other videos on this channel. Please watch them. Anything you do, like interacting with this channel will help the channel grow. If you watch the whole video, it helps. If you make a comment, it helps. Anything helps. Everything helps. So I don't want to, you know, speak too long, but yeah, I just wanted to say hello, happy 2021. And yeah, I'm just looking to interact with all you guys, grow the channel, make it huge in 2021, and you know, hope the best for everybody. And I have like notes here, so I just want to make sure I'm not forgetting anything, which I'm sure I'll forget something. But yeah, I think I hit everything. But anyway, yeah, but just feel free to leave comments. Let me know what you guys want to see, and we'll see what I'm gonna try and do. Don't hold me to it, but because as I said, I'm just learning all this stuff over again in a sense. Because most of my videos you'll see, they're mostly pictures and music. I don't really get in front of the camera like this, but I would like to start, so because I know it helps the channel, you know, makes it more personal for you guys. So anyway, so yeah, so that's what I want to do is work on that. So yeah, so whatever makes you guys happy, just leave comments, watch the videos, enjoy. Like I said, use the videos to maybe work on some trips you might want to go on. There's lots of Las Vegas videos, there's lots of Disney videos, Universal Orlando videos, you know, different places, Niagara Falls, you know, it runs the gamut. But yeah, so enjoy. And so yeah, what I'm hoping to do is put out one video a week, a new video a week, and hopefully a live stream, one per week. So make sure you subscribe, press the red subscribe button, tell your friends to subscribe, and put your notifications on, the bell that you see. Make sure you have it on so that you receive notifications of when my videos will come out. And that's it. And I appreciate you guys, all of you, the 79 people here that will get this notification. Like I said, hopefully we'll grow the channel. So thank you guys all for listening, for watching, hopefully enjoying this introductory type video for LizSamOfficial. And I will see you soon. Bye.